So as a small to medium business owner or large enterprise, whatever, are you prepared for the following expenses? This is going to be probably the worst day of your business in an incident. If you happen to get to the end of ransomware, you got to think about IR firm consulting and investigation fees, the legal fees to hire lawyers to get this stuff through, your rising insurance premiums. Once you've been breached, that cyber insurance is never going to cost the same again. It's going to be a lot harder to get insured. You've got downtime. You've got to look at backups and getting all those systems in place. You've got to worry about the ransomware payment itself. How much are they charging you to get your data back? And do you have access to negotiators to help you either pay if you choose to pay or not pay? If you don't pay, what's the cost of having your data out there on the dark web to you and your customers? Remember, we're protecting the end users here, their data. You're responsible for that as a business owner. Cost of reverted backups, we talked about that. Staff coverage, while you're all running around working with law enforcement or your IR consulting firm, who's going to cover the day-to-day business? Who's going to deal with the compliance notifications and the client notifications? Are you going to pay for some type of credit monitoring service for your customers after litigation? Loss of customers due to lack of trust, that's a big one. We see repeat names in the industry, right? People that have been breached over and over and over again multiple times. That hurts the business for sure. And then the stress, like I said, the incident, the day that your business is ransomed is a horrible day. It's extremely stressful for a long time, and it's not like you work through it and it goes away. That problem happened, and now you got to deal with the fallout from it. So it's better, and this is how I always thought in law enforcement, if we could just find ways to prevent this stuff and direct our funds towards prevention, would be much better for everybody involved.